What is up guys, Crypto Costa here back with another video, and in this video we're gonna review a new platform and crypto exchange which is Fairdesk. I'm gonna do a quick tutorial step by step on trading. We're gonna take a look at their assets and check their other features. Before we start guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. Always do your own research. If you're into crypto, if you like altcoins, make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss gems that I'm showing you here on this channel, right? Another thing guys, I'm running currently a giveaway on Twitter, so if you're interested to join, make sure to join this. So 3 random people will win 100 BUSD. So all you have to do is subscribe to both channels that are here in the pinned message. Also, sometimes I tweet about a project I'm gonna talk about on YouTube, so it's good to know before I make a video about this. Coming back to Fairdesk, this is basically a crypto exchange. So let's take a look at some of their features, right? Let's take a look at what they can offer to the clients, right? So like you can see, here is the platform, and it actually looks quite easy if you take a look in here. Here is open, close, position, market, conditional limit, open long, open short. So the overall look is quite minimalistic, which I really like. You can choose between 3 currencies currently, which isn't much of course, right? And you have this Mercurial, which is quite good honestly, and you have this Mercurial for each coin, right? For ETH, for BTC, for USDT, it's everywhere the same. So I know there's so many already very advanced people here on this channel joining new projects. If you're new into crypto, this video may help you as well if you're not familiar with using exchanges. So like you can see here, if you click on the markets, you can trade all these assets. There is 40 assets if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 42 already. You basically click trade. Here you put amount that you want to buy, right? Let's say it's 0.2 Bitcoin. So like you can see, this platform is very focused on future derivatives trading, which of course is very high risk. I don't recommend it to anybody who is just starting in crypto, right? Personally, I don't do future trading, right? You're gonna remember that there is very high risk behind this, right? Currently there is this welcome bonus of up to 600 USD, and how it works: if you deposit over or equal 0.1 BTC, you get a 5% bonus of the deposit amount up to 600 USDT, alright? You'll receive the bonus after the money has been stored in the wallet for 7 days. Here you have other bonuses if you want to use them. And if you take a look in here, they offer up to 125 leverage, right? So like I already said, I don't recommend you to do this. This is extremely high risk and this is like gambling, right? Of course, there is so many people joining crypto, like I already told you, using all these high leverages, and they learn the lesson, right? Sometimes they just learn the lesson. I'd really recommend you and just spot trading for the beginning in the crypto space. So it's quite secure. They have 2.5 bill USD trading volume. So they have 5+ integrated liquidity providers. Average trading volume is over 1 bill, of course, but you gotta remember that when it comes to the leverage trading, usually these exchanges that focus on the leverage trading have higher volume, so they have their commission as low as between 0.01% and 0.015%. So actually Fairdesk is funded by 6 former Binance executives and 3 former Morgan Stanley architects. Fairdesk comes with the mission of providing a fair, safe, and more profitable and cost-efficient trading service to the clients, right? So on Twitter they have 30,000 followers. On Telegram they have 9,000 members. So here they also have their arena. It allows users to compete and earn points, right? This new feature blends elements of gaming and cryptocurrency trading by placing traders head to head in a battle to see who's the most profitable over in a battle period. So actually you can compete in trading and earn these points. So they also have their mobile app. So what we can see is that also they've launched their new token, right? So there's up to 30% saving APR. They have their DAO, and there's 50% FDT trade mining, right? So here's the roadmap, and like you can see, on Q2 2022 they've planned auctioned NFT, and in Q1 there's FTD release, asset market, Q3 social trading, Fairdesk 2.0 release. So we're gonna see how it goes. This is basically it for this review. Thank you so much for watching and see you in another one.